Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for Scrap Diva Designs Christmas in July Hop. I am so glad that you're here. If you're new, my name is Jen. I am Strawberry Cream 39. I am a member of Erica's design team. So I'm so happy that you're here, and to all of my returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back today. I hope you've been enjoying the hop this far. I will list all of the participants down below in my description box with links to their channels, so make sure you go ahead and check out everybody's projects. We were asked to make a Christmas project using any Scrap Diva Designs die. It doesn't have to be specifically Christmas related, so just to showcase some different ways that you can use Scrap Diva Designs dies to make your Christmas projects, and it's perfect for Christmas in July and the upcoming holidays. So I am going to show you what I made, and I will have a giveaway at the end, so make sure you stay till the end to see what that is. Okay, so this is the die set that I chose to use. This is the Scrap Diva Designs gift box, and I've made many projects with this die set. I will link this down below in the description box as well in case you want to pick it up. There will also be my referral link. If you click on that, place an order, I get a commission from the sale, so thank you guys to everybody who uses that. And don't forget to use my coupon code at checkout, and that is Strawberry Cream, and you'll save 10% off of your order. So these are all of the dies that it comes with, and this little gift box comes together so quickly, and I love all the different ways you can customize it. So this is the main die, and you cut this out twice, so you have the two larger sides of the box and then the smaller side. And then this is the bottom piece, and then there are all these layering pieces too. This is the awning, which is so fun to make. And then this cuts out a frame if you want to make a shaker for your box. This is a window, and this is like a scallop trim for the window too. So the ones that I made, two of them, and they both have windows on them. I didn't make shakers this time. So obviously I made mine Christmas related. So let me show you the first one that I made. And this is it. Isn't this so cute? For this one, the collection I used is Frank Garcia's new collection for Prima, which is called 25 and Peppermint, or 25th and Peppermint. So when I saw this, I knew that it would be perfect for a cute little Christmas gift box, especially this piece of ephemera here. It says French sweet chocolate. So I thought it would be a cute, like, little sweet shop. So this is my gift box, and I created it out of pink AC cardstock paper. So like I said, it's really easy to put together. You cut out two of the main pieces, one bottom piece, glue everything on the glue tabs, and you are ready to go. And then you could go ahead and add layering pieces. I did make a window for this box, and I used some acetate, which also comes from that new Frank Garcia collection. And these are pieces of ephemera from that collection as well. This is a little foam gingerbread guy that I got from Target last year. It was in the dollar spot. I got a couple of these. These were $1, and I just love these little gingerbread guys. So I think they make great little embellishments. So I added one on here. I made this garland out of a die set in my stash just to add a little whimsy to it. So that's the front of it, and then the side I added. This actually I cut out a one of these borders with some tan dotted paper, and then I just cut a piece to length there just to finish off this side. And then I added a cut apart and added some stickles, of course, some diamond stickles. And that looks like this. I have so many colors of stickles, but this is the one I find I use most often, and that's diamond. So that's that side. And then on the back, I added another awning, and this one has the music paper. And then I added some more pieces of ephemera, some stickles, and some Lawn Fawn clear glaze, which I use all the time. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what I use all the time. I like it because it has a fine tip on it, so it allows you to create little tiny dots, and they dry raised and clear, so it adds a really nice touch to your projects. And then Mistletoe Kisses is a piece of ephemera, and I popped everything up on some foam tape to give them dimension. And I love that peppermint paper in the background. And then here's Santa on the other side with another piece of that scallop trim. There are so many different ways you can embellish this, and it's so easy to make it into a Christmas box just by, adding Christmas paper and Christmas ephemera. So let me measure this for you, and then I'll show you the inside. So this is 4 inches long, top to bottom, from, from the side top to bottom, it's about 4.5 inches. The box itself is about 2.5 inches, not including the angled part up there. And then depth-wise, it is about 2.5 inches. So that's one box. And then on the top, I added a cute little gingy piece of ephemera there as well. And the way you open it, it just closes by itself, and it cuts out, the die set cuts out these slits. So you just open it like that and unfold the handles. And then you have a cute little gift box. And inside, I made these little pie pin cushions, or this little pie pin cushion. And I put a piece of fabric there to line it. So I've made these before. If you follow me, you've seen little pie pin cushions. So this one I used some cute little gingerbread fabric that I think I got at Joann's, and then I sewed on a few little buttons, and then I made some pins too. This one I used a little pink bow pin, and I added a couple of gingerbread hearts clay bits and just glued them on. So that's a pin. And then this one, I just love those little gingerbread guys. So I added one to this little button pin, glued it on with some strong glue so it makes a little pin. So there's that. Isn't that so cute? And the fabric that I used is like rough linen texture kind of fabric, and I put that in before I made the little pin cushion so it looks like crust. And these are just little tart pans that I had gotten at Home Goods a while ago. So that is my first one. And of course you could fill this up with all sorts of different kinds of goodies. You could put candy in here, you could put a gift card, and maybe just like some ephemera or something like that. Jewelry, any kind of gift you want to put in here would work really well. And I love the way it closes. You don't have to add any closures or ribbon or anything. I probably will add some ribbon on the top here just to make sure it's closed when I mail it out. But yeah. I think that came out so cute. And then I made another one with a different kind of collection. This one I used the Doodlebug Gingerbread Kisses collection, which came out last year, I believe. So this is this one, and it's very similar, of course, except for the style. So I used some yellow AC cardstock for this one, and I used different pieces of ephemera and papers from the Gingerbread Kisses collection. This one I added that scalloped border around the window, which I forgot to do on this one, but I think it looks good either way. So I did that, and this acetate comes from, I think it's Mintopia that I got from Frank Garcia Studio a long time ago, but it's got little gingerbread guys on it and candy canes, so I thought that was a good choice for this window. And I added puffy stickers, I added some ephemera here, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and then the top says milk and cookies with this cute little was this a sticker? I think it was a sticker, yeah, and I just kind of put it on some paper and die cut it so I could raise it up on some foam instead of just sticking it down onto the roof. And then on the side, I put a cut apart, which has Baking Spirits Bright, and I did add stickles and clear glaze again there. On the back, look how cute that is. Oh, I just love all these papers and ephemera from this collection. I added another awning with the gingerbread people on it. And then this is the other side. The clear glaze, if you put it on like that, it looks like it's a puffy sticker. So, oh, I just love it. So that's what that one looks like. And then on the inside, I forgot to show you on that one, but the back has, I put a layering piece on the back so you could see a nice pattern paper through the window. So this one has another pie, but this one I used a more whimsical pin cushion, or whimsical fabric for the pin cushion. It's aqua and it has cute little birds on it and they're holding berries. I sewed on a red and blue star, and then I had this cute little gingerbread cabochon and I glued him onto a bird pin to make a little custom pin there. So how cute is that, right? And this one I added another piece of fabric that matched to kind of like make a little cushion for my pie. And I think it just looks so cute, and it's kind of like a bakery box, so that's why I used like the chocolates on this one and milk and cookies on this one, and I thought adding the pie was a nice, way to tie that in together. So these are the two projects I made for today, and if you stayed to the end, thank you so much. So these are my two prizes for this hop. you will win either the Doodlebug box with the little pie pincushion or the Frank Garcia box with the little pie cushion. And you will get a $10 gift card to scrapdivadesigns.com. One of those will be sponsored by Erica, so thank you so much, Erica. The other one I will contribute. So there will be two winners, one with the Doodlebug collection and the $10 gift card, and the other with the Frank Garcia box with the $10 gift card. So all you have to do is please be a subscriber to my channel and leave a comment below and tell me which one you would prefer to win, the Doodlebug design or the Frank Garcia design. And I will pick one winner from each of those two choices. I will pick a winner on, let's see, this will be open until the 29th, and I will pick a winner on Tuesday, the 30th. And they'll be random, just depending on which one you choose and if you're a subscriber to my channel. It's USA only. Sorry about that, but it'll be too expensive to mail outside of the country. So come back on Tuesday to see who won. Make sure you comment down below which one you would prefer if you do win. And you could say either or, that's fine too. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out everybody else in the hop. They'll be linked down below to make it easy for you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy Christmas in July. And I would love it if you'd stick around and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Thank you so much for watching. And I will link the gift box down below, the die set in my description box. I will talk to you guys soon. And thanks again for watching. Bye.